Name of the book Science, Class 9. Contents Chapter 1 Matter in our surroundings. Chapter 2 Is matter around us pure? Chapter 3 Atoms and molecules. Chapter 4 Structure of atom. Chapter 5 The fundamental unit of life. Chapter 6 Tissues. Chapter 7 Motion. Chapter 8 Force and laws of motion. Chapter 9 Gravitation. Chapter 10 Work and energy. Chapter 11 Sound. Chapter 12 Improvement in food resources. Chapter 1 Matter in our surroundings. Headlines are physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. How small are these particles of matter? Characteristics of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. The states of matter, the solid state, the liquid state, the gaseous state. Can matter change its state? Effect of change of temperature. Effect of change of pressure. Evaporation. How does evaporation cause cooling? Factors affecting evaporation. Chapter 2 Is matter around us pure? Headlines are what is a mixture, types of mixture, what is a solution, concentration of solution, what is a suspension, properties of suspension, what is a colloidal substance, properties of colloid, physical and chemical changes, what are pure substances made up of, elements, compounds. Chapter 3 Atoms and molecules. Headlines are law of chemical combination, law of chemical proportion, what is an atom, what are the modern day symbols for different elements, atomic mass, how do atoms exist, what is a molecule, molecules of elements, molecules of compound, what is an ion, writing chemical formula for simple compound, molecular mass and mole concept. Chapter 4 Structure of atom. Headlines are charging particles of matter, the structure of atom, Thomson's model of atom, Rutherford's model of atom, Bohr's model of atom, neutrons, how are neutrons distributed among different orbits, valency, atomic number, mass number, isotopes, isobars. Chapter 5 The fundamental unit of life. Headlines are what are living organisms made up of, what is the cell made up of, what is the structural organization of cell membrane, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell organelle, the endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, plastids, cell division. Chapter 6 Tissues. Headlines are all the plants are made up of same types of tissues. Chapter 6 Tissues. Headlines are all plants and animals are made up of same types of tissues, plant tissues, meristematic tissues, simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue, the animal tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. Chapter 7 Motion. Headlines are describing motion, uniform and non-uniform motion, rate of measuring of motion, the rate of change of velocity, graphical representation of motion, equations of motion by graphical method, uniform circular motion. Chapter 8 Force and laws of motion. Headlines are balanced and unbalanced forces, first law of motion, inertia and mass, second law of motion, mathematical formulation of second law of motion, third law of motion. Chapter 9 Gravitation. Gravitation, universal law of gravitation, importance of universal law of gravitation, free fall, calculating the value of g, motion of the object, influence the motion of gravitational, mass, weight of an object on the moon, pressure and thrust, pressure in fluids, buoyancy, why objects float or shrink in water, the surface of water, Archimedes principle. Chapter 10 Work and energy. Headlines are work, not much work in the spite of working hard, scientific conception of work, work done by constant force, energy, forms of energy, kinetic energy, potential energy of an object at height, are various kinds of energy are interconvertible, the rate of doing work. Chapter 11 Sound. Headlines are production of sound, propagation of sound, characteristics of sound, speed of sound in different media, reflection of sound, echo, reverberation, uses of multiple sounds, rear hearing of sound. Chapter 12 Improvement in food resources. Headlines are improvement in crop yields, crop variety improvement, crop production management, nutrition management, manures, fertilizers, irrigation, crop protection management and storage, animal husbandry, poultry farming, dairy farming, the egg and boiler production, fish production, marine fish, inland fish, beekeeping.